Right off the bat, we knew that there were probably going to be problems that we would run into right away. We immediately changed the spark plug wires, replaced the fuel filter, changed the oil, and I ran a fuel injector cleaner through the gas tank. But of course, the check engine light came on, so I decided to replace the upstream oxygen sensor. Should be fairly obvious which one is the new one and the replacement, but I just wanted to double check the ends to make sure it was the correct O2 sensor. And perhaps I should have jacked up the car, took off the wheel and done it, but I was able to reach under there and do it without taking that off or checking it up, and it worked fine for me. Yeah, this is not a tutorial, just what I did. Now that I secured the sensor, I just have to fish it up around the back and it just clips right out front. Here you can see the shiny plug around the dipstick behind the engine and clips right on front. And that's it. Now just time for a test drive. Sometimes it takes a few hot-cold cycles for the check engine light to go off, but it eventually did, and it's running smoothly now.